You are crazy, you know that. Aren't you gonna start paddling? We're getting really close. We're getting really close to that log, aren't we? Wow. I've done all the work. Mush. Alright. Got your right turn signal on? Shit. Guess you better go the other way now. Where are you taking us? Are you watching where you're taking us? Are you even thinking about where you're taking us? Oops. See if there's any moose in there, right? Here, moosey, moosey, moosey. Hey, you're gonna make me lose my paddle, girl. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Oh, the yellow putties? What kind of, whoa, what are you doing? Holy fuck. Help. There's somewhere north of Algonquin Park, about 3 hours in on a canoe. Oh, there's a bear, look out. Is that a shark? Yeah, that's pretty. Not me.
Yes, you are. Hello.
Oh, wait a second. Say hi to, who you want to say hi to? Uh-oh. There's a loon on the lake, I can hear the echo. Say me, please, last will and testament to that fish, baby.
See the hills? How do the hills are alive? Another glen. Not the other glen.
Okay, so goodbye.
Bye.
It's the other Glen later on.